Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Refrigeration System and Cold Room YouTube channel. This is our new installation work of freezer. Temperature is -25. You see this our work. This is freezer cold room, -25 temperature. This is corner column. You see this our work. This is freezer. I request you please subscribe our channel and stay connected with us for more update about our this work. Now we start to fixing cold room ceiling. Now alhamdulillah, panel installation work is finished. Only finishing work is left. Alhamdulillah, just 2 days our panel installation work is now finished. In just 2 days. This is freezer, -25 temperature.